Today we will be discussing Freedom of Information Ordinance 2002. But before that, we need to understand media laws and its legal boundaries. So media laws are basically legal frameworks governing the operations and conduct of media entities. Its aim is to balance freedom of expression with societal interests. Freedom of expression protects the right to free speech and information dissemination. Regulation establishes guidelines for media operations to ensure ethical standards. Censorship defines limits on content to prevent harm or violation of laws. Now we will understand Freedom of Information Ordinance. This was promulgated on October 27, 2002 in Islamabad by the President. It extends to the whole of Pakistan. The main objective of this ordinance was to provide transparency and freedom of information. The purpose of this ordinance was to ensure improved access to public records for citizens of Pakistan and enhance accountability of the federal government to its citizens. It was enacted under the Proclamation of Emergency of October 14, 1999. Main objectives of the ordinance defines key terms like complainant, designated official, employee, mutasib, and record. Access to information. No requester shall be denied access to official records with exemptions as specified. Emphasis on facilitating prompt and cost-effective information disclosure. Records management. Public bodies must maintain and index records as per prescribed rules. Encourages computerization of records for nationwide accessibility. Publication and availability. Acts, regulations, and official documents must be published and made available at reasonable prices. Declaration of public records specifies categories of records declared as public records, including financial transactions and decisions. Exclusion of certain records. Lists. Records exempted from disclosure, such as files, minutes, and classified information. Duty to assist requesters. Public bodies must take necessary steps to assist requesters. Designation of official. Public bodies must designate officials to ensure easy public access to information. Functions of designated official. Designated officials are responsible for providing information from public records. Applications for information. Any citizen can apply for information, subject to prescribed form, particulars, and fees. Procedure for disposal of applications. Designated officials must respond to applications within 21 days, providing information or explaining refusals. Exempt information from disclosure. Public bodies are not required to disclose exempt information as specified in the ordinance. Recourse to Muhtasib and Federal Tax Ombudsman. If information is not provided, complaints can be filed with relevant authorities for resolution. Dismissal of frivolous complaints. Malicious or frivolous complaints may be dismissed and fines imposed on complainants. Offense: destroying records with the intention of preventing disclosure is an offense punishable by imprisonment or fines.